So I've got some chunky soup and this really cool mug that you plug into the lighter outlet, and this heats it up actually really hot. I've used this before. It's great for heating up things. It'll actually make my coffee like so hot I can't even drink it. Hey guys, good morning. So today we're actually on our way to find Willow Prairie Cabin. So we're up here in the snow. This should be fun.
Starting to snow a little bit. You like it though.
In the snow last time, we thought we'd come and do it again, so here we are.
Yep. And it is snowy. Snowy, snowy, snowy.
Yeah, it's a good day.
Now we're making a concerted effort to actually get out there and find some of these things that we've heard about, maybe seen them on a BLM map or something like that, and just gonna get out here and find them. Yeah, that's what four-wheel drive is for, man. I'm gonna barf on you. Oh.
That's two-wheel drive in the snow. Woohoo!
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up, man.
All right, enough of that.
Okay.
Sorry.
I got a headache. 4WD.
Four-wheel drive, here we go.
There we go. Oh. Let me crack a window. Yeah, we passed it again. I don't think that's a real road. I think it was a road at one time. So let's turn around.
Is there another way to get to it?
Well, we can keep going up and around and get back to it, I think.
Okay.
But this one was supposed to be the way to go.
The road doesn't exist.
No, it really doesn't. You know, at best it was a trail. It's gonna be somewhere in here in the next 500 feet. Yeah, and there's just
all trees.
Yeah, it's all trees, a bit of a drainage. That might be it right there, but that's not.
It's not a road, no, there's just trees.
Yeah. They planted trees in the road, man.
And there's my tracks.
Fishtail Dale.
Two-wheel drive in the snow.
Yep. Must be it. Yep, 37-35, so we go left. I think we're going the wrong direction here.
Yeah. We gotta get a running start at this. Otherwise it's chain up.
Yeah.
So do I just go for it?
Well, let's. So the question is, do we just go for it?
I think we give it a shot.
We give it a shot, but can we put the chains on when we're half buried in snow?
Yeah, because we can kind of rock back and forth a little bit, make a flat area. I have a shovel. We've got a winch. You're good.
Okay.
What's the worst that could happen?
We die? I mean, it would be a cascading series of events that would kill us.
As long as we get it on camera.
Sure. If you find this footage. We're done.
Yeah, that's it. We're going to be stuck.
Right up there we could have gotten to.
Yeah, it's too much of an incline. We're just getting, yeah, we have to chain up. We are going to be stuck if we don't chain up.
All right.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, your back wheels are just like.
Yeah, we are stuck. There's no getting out of there without chains.
See how there's no snow right there?
Yeah, it keeps going up. It gets steeper and steeper, so to climb this, I'm gonna chain up, might end up chaining up all four. All right, we got the chains on the front. That'll really help us get up the rest of this hill. And then I think we'll continue and chain up the back, because if we run into anything more like this, having all four of them chained up, I could pretty much go anywhere. So let's do it.
At least we'll figure out if we can.
Yeah.
And here we go. Jeep with chains. Yeah, we're in a little bit of a hole there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Almost. Ooh, nice. Maybe we're not going anywhere. You should back up. Go backwards. Yeah, go way backwards. Way backwards. Yeah, there we go. No! Just spinning. There we go. There we go. Yep, that was a no-go. We really need to do the backs, which we knew we were trying to get like 50 feet up the road just to get to that spot, and we couldn't.
Yeah, let's chain up the back.
Yeah. Okay, where are we at?
Our last chain.
Yep. What were you saying? You hope we can get somewhere after all this?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. You got snow in your ear?
It dripped right in my ear.
That's always fun.
Right in my ear hole.
So what Dale doesn't know is I didn't forget my gloves. Go for that little low spot up there. On the right, it's not low spot, but the snow is low, I mean. Yeah, so just around the corner past that tree.
Back.
Do you want to? Okay, give that a shot. Dig out of your little ditch here. Almost. Yeah, you're just spinning that left like crazy. Yeah, it's just spinning. Yep. Okay, Dale, I'm just gonna say we're not getting up there today.
What?
We're not. Like, you couldn't even back up to get a run at it. I mean, you dug a nice hole there.
Well, yeah. We'll give it another shot.
All right. I think before we were just stuck for fun.
We're officially stuck now.
Yeah, that's awesome. Doing good. Okay.
Start digging a hole again.
Yep. Your wheels are turned to the right. Oh, you're in a hole. Hold on. Yeah, you're just digging holes. Stop.
All right, there we go. Getting the chains off.
Yeah, we gotta pull forward just a...
Yeah, our other adventure we went on was a lot more fun. This one was more like, hey, let's go get the Jeep stuck in the snow and shovel it out. Put chains on.
Get it stuck even more.
Yeah, good time. All right. So, that didn't turn out.
No, it really didn't.
But we definitely learned some things, right?
Yeah, once we got it going, I didn't get footage of him backing all the way out because the camera was in there, and once he started going,
It was just like, go, go, go,
Yeah.
don't stop.
so we just backed it up. So
So-
yeah, what was happening? Well, tell us what was happening. We know what was happening. They probably know what was happening.
The trouble was we were on, gosh, almost 2 feet of snow, maybe 1.5 feet of snow.
At least.
And then underneath that was just dirt. And I don't have locking differentials. So that was just a prime example of locking or limited slip differential. So what would happen is a couple of my tires would start spinning, and once they were dug free, the other two were just frozen, stuck. They wouldn't move at all, and I couldn't get anywhere. So we winched out a little bit. I need a better winch cable. This winch cable's got some issues.
Yeah, we got some really good footage of the opposite wheels spinning. You know, that's how an open differential goes. Right, front, back, left. If those are spinning, you're done.
Now this is a stock Dana 30 front axle, stock 35 rear axle, so it's open differential. Yeah, it doesn't work great in slippery, snowy, deep conditions like that. Ultimately, we ended up having to dig out so we could back up. Well, actually, no, the winch, I was able to use the winch to pull me forward enough to get me out of the rut, and then I could back up and we were okay.
Yeah, but then we took the shovel and we filled in the holes that were there, because we had dug some pretty good foxholes there. I mean, pretty deep, you know, up to the axles. We filled in, so we got out of those, filled them in, so we'd have a place to drive back over so we wouldn't just fall back in them.
Yeah, so sorry this didn't work out for finding the Willow cabin, but we'll do that in the future, guaranteed.
Yep. That's it.
So thank you guys. Check out my next video, and I'll see you next week.
That's it. Let's get our food.